Hi, this video is about the evolution of Honda Pilot from 2003 to 2023. The Honda Pilot is a mid-size crossover SUV with 3-row seating manufactured by Honda. First generation, the 2003-2004 Pilots featured an all-aluminum 3.5-liter V6 SOHC with VTEC, producing 240 horsepower. The 2005 Pilot received a new engine, which added drive-by-wire throttle and produced 255 horsepower. Other changes included the transmission with revised 4th and 5th gear ratios. All Pilots from 2003 to 2005 feature VTM4, Honda's four-wheel drive system. The Pilot received more updates starting with the 2006 model year. Engines were rated at 244 horsepower. This was the first time 4WD was not standard on the Pilot. All Pilots from this generation feature a 5-speed automatic transmission. The larger second-generation Pilot was unveiled as a prototype in January 2008 at the North American International Auto Show. It was offered in 5 trims: Luxe, X, XL, Touring and Shay. All second-generation Pilots used a new J35Z4 3.5-liter V6 i-VTEC engine producing 250 horsepower. Both front-wheel all-wheel drivetrains were equipped with 5-speed automatics. The 2012 model year introduced a redesigned front fascia, new alloy wheels, and updates to the interior along with changes to the bumper. The third-generation 2016 Pilot debuted at the Chicago Auto Show in February 2015. The revised 3.5-liter V6 engine has direct injection and a start-stop system with improved power at 280 horsepower. A 6-speed automatic is standard on the LX, X, and XL trims, while a ZF 9-speed automatic is standard on the Touring and Elite trims. For the 2019 model year, Honda has refreshed the Pilot inside and out. The powertrain for the Pilot has remained unchanged, but Honda did revise the 9-speed transmission and start-stop system that are only found on the Touring and Elite trims. The 4th-generation Pilot was revealed on November 7, 2022. A DOHC, non-VTEC, 3.5-liter V6 engine with 285 horsepower connected to a 10-speed automatic gearbox. There are 6 distinct trim levels available: Luxe, Sport, XL, Trail Sport, Touring, and Elite. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.